Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are back with another cook with me video where I show you how I make dinner just under $3. And this is actually a special one because I actually was able to make some dessert as well for just under $3. So right now I am showing you all the ingredients we are going to use tonight. So on the menu we have a spicy fried cauliflower chicken, which is supposed to mimic like spicy chicken wings, but instead of chicken we're going to use cauliflower. And then also for just our side, we're just going to have some good old deep fried homemade french fries, which is nothing healthy about that, but it's really good. And then also we're going to finish off with a dessert with ice cream and some air fried peaches. I know, sounds weird, but just stick around and let's just get right into it. So here I am. I actually did this the night before. I went ahead and took the skin off the russet potato, and I also went ahead and cut up the potato to the size of my liking for my french fries. Now me doing this the night before allows me to soak the potatoes so it can get rid of all of the starch, so when I fry it, it's gonna be nice and crispy. Keep in mind, these are your homemade french fries, so you can definitely cut them any way you want to. You can cube them, you can even spiralize them and deep fry them. So it's totally up to you and how you like to have your homemade french fries made. Okay, so now once you have them all cut up to your liking, you're going to need to add some cold water to your bowl, because like I said, the water is going to help extract the starch out of the potatoes, so we can fry a little bit nicer. You can have that good crunch and crispiness of your french fry. So the next thing is I went ahead and I added my vegetable oil to my deep fryer so it can go ahead and get warm and heated. Alright, so now it is time to chop up our cauliflower. Now, I went ahead and bought the pre-chopped kind at Walmart because nobody has time to be sitting there chopping a whole head of cauliflower when you can just already buy a store-bought that's pre-chopped and ready to cook. So here I am placing them out, laying them out, just trying to figure out which pieces I want to use. Now I still go through and cut some of the pieces because I don't really like the bulky ones. I kind of like the smaller, skinnier ones to deep fry. So yeah, so make sure you know, even though it says pre-washed, go ahead and wash it yourself because you just never know around here. So yeah, so just go ahead and wash them. And then like I said, this is your recipe, so if you like them how they are, then by all means go ahead and just leave them how they are. Like I said, I like to cut them up just a little bit more because I like smaller pieces to kind of give me that like nugget type feel of an actual chicken nugget or a chicken wing or boneless chicken. However you like your chicken, do it that way, girl. I'm not judging. So yeah, so I'm just cutting them up right now, and then I kind of like to keep my like prepping station kind of clean, so I kind of keep it clean throughout the video. And so here I am going to go ahead and make the dry mixture. You're going to add your flour, and then you're going to go with your cornstarch. Keep in mind, I'm going to link the link below for the exact measurements for everything for the recipe. and then your pink salt, and then you're gonna go in with your pepper, and then you're gonna have your cayenne pepper, just a little bit of spice to kick it up a notch, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, some good old bay seasoning for that Cajun taste. And then this is just extra. I've been having this. It's really not even hot. I just added just because I need to use it, and I'm not wasting nobody's seasoning around here. And then nutritional yeast to give you that savory type of taste to it. And this is technically not real chicken. So mix that all up. Mix her up real good. So you're done with the dry stuff, and then we're gonna make the wet stuff. Which is just gonna be almond milk and some Louisiana hot sauce. I don't like any other hot sauce. It has to be Louisiana. I don't want no Texas Pete. I don't want no Crystal hot sauce. No, just give me Louisiana hot sauce. Like that's what I grew up on, and I'm forever gonna always ask for Louisiana hot sauce when I go places. So, and I think some restaurants, like fast food places, they do have like a little Louisiana hot sauce packets. Yeah. So mix it up real good. I have a little miniature whisk. Look how cute that is. I got it from Rural Market. It was like $3.99. I like miniature things. So look how pretty that. Here's the fun part. We are now going to dip our cauliflower into our wet mixture, and then the dry, and then back into the wet mixture, and then back into the dry mixture, so we can really get a nice crunch when we bite into that baked chicken. And this can get kind of messy, so yeah. It'll be worth it in the end. I promise you, trust me. So I'm gonna be honest with you, at this point I was having some technical difficulties with this deep fryer. I thought it was like hot enough, but it wasn't. So once I dropped the cauliflower pieces in there, it doesn't look like it's doing anything. But once I figured it out, then it obviously started to fry them up, and they started to, you know, look like a chicken wing in a deep fryer. Here I am just coating the second batch of the cauliflower chicken wing. Again, this can get really messy, so I try to use utensils when I'm dipping them into the wet mixture, then back into the dry mixture, because I just don't like the grittiness on my hands. So I use some tongs and like spoons and forks trying to get the job done, because I just don't want it on my hands. I don't know, call me Little Miss Chris, but that's just me. Y'all, the way that these fake chicken wings are looking, like, look how yummy that looks. Like, Anywho, that's the first batch. I'm gonna take them out and set them in a bowl with some paper towel, obviously to catch the oil. And then I'm going to put in the second batch, and watch the difference from this one and the first one. Like, look, that's how it's supposed to be. Like, I don't know what was going on the first time, but anywho, I made it work. So now that we have our cauliflower chicken wings fried up, it is now time to work on our homemade French fries. So like I said, I pre-cut these the night before, so I'm just draining the water out of the bowl. And then the key to this step is that you actually want to make sure you fully dry the potato sticks. I'm gonna just call them potato sticks at this point because they're not French fries just yet. So then halfway through this night, I was like, you know what? I have to have some seasoning on my French fries. So I literally just got a couple seasonings from my cabinet, and I just kind of threw them in a bowl. and you'll see how it comes together after this. Trust me. Now it's time to actually deep fry your potato sticks so they can become homemade French fries. Yes, we are using the same grease. Look, you don't judge me. Like, grease, number one, oil can be high sometimes, and I don't have time to be just dumping out already used oil for something that's already gonna touch once it go into my stomach anyway. So I'm using the same oil from the cauliflower chicken wings. Look how nice that fries up. Like, I feel like at this point I'm gonna put up my own Chick-fil-A. So then here's where I use that seasoning mixture that I just kind of made up off the top of my head to coat the French fries. And just like that, you have some homemade spicy fried cauliflower chicken wings that are vegan, and then you have your own homemade Cajun French fries, depending on the season that you use. And look how lovely that looks. And look how fancy I am. I'm using my sugar-free ketchup. Like, who am I? Now here is my favorite part. I loved making this almost kind of peach cobbler-like dessert without the breading. It's just ice cream and peaches. So yeah, just cut up you a peach, and then if you have an air fryer, just stick it in your air fryer. I did mine on 350 degrees for just like 5 minutes, and then once I set it in for 5 minutes, I took them out and I did a mixture of brown sugar and melted vegan butter, and I glazed them. I glazed each wedge with that mixture, and then I put it back into my air fryer for another 5 minutes at 350 degrees. Took it out, and then I put it in this cute little clear mug with my Halo Top ice cream. This is actually my first time trying this particular flavor, and it was really, really good. But this dessert, y'all, oh my gosh, amazing. Like, this is one that I'm gonna have to like bring out every once in a while when I make my dinner, and if I want like a nice dessert to go with it, without even doing much work. That literally took me 10 minutes at most to make. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time.